So today there's actually two things I'm going to do with this surfboard. I'm going to replace the back fin and fix it with some solar resin. There's a few dents that need repairing, so let's get started. So the first job is to remove this fin. This is the fin that I actually made out of acrylic, and it was just meant to be a temporary fin, but it's actually been in there for about 5 years. So I'm going to replace it with what should be in there, which is a much larger fin, so that will really help. The only issue is the head has completely rusted, so it's going to be interesting trying to get that out. Ooh, it's bad. Ooh. So I've just got to clean it up, wipe it, get it completely dust free, put some of this on and put it in the sun for 5 minutes. So that's it, the clean film trick really did help a lot. Should save a lot of sanding down afterwards. I'll leave a link in the description below for the product and see you next time. Cheers.